Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix buffer billing issues in 2026. If your payment fails, you're charged unexpectedly, your invoice is missing, or you're having trouble updating your billing information, this guide will help you solve the problem. First, log into your buffer account and open the billing or subscription section. Check whether your payment method is still valid. If your credit or debit card has expired or your billing details have changed, update the information and save the changes before trying the payment again. Next, make sure your bank or card provider hasn't declined the transaction. Sometimes international payments or online subscriptions are blocked automatically. If that's the case, contact your bank to approve the payment, then try again. If you've already made a payment but your buffer account hasn't been updated, wait a few minutes and refresh your dashboard. Some payments take a short time to process. You should also check your email for payment confirmations or error notifications. If you're unable to download invoices or receipts, go to the billing section and make sure you're signed into the correct buffer workspace. Your invoices should be available for download there. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, update your browser, or try using a different browser. You can also sign out of buffer and sign back in to refresh your account information. Finally, if none of these steps solve the problem, contact buffer support. Provide your account email, payment date, transaction details, and screenshots of any billing errors so they can investigate the issue more quickly. That's how you can fix buffer billing issues in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more buffer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.